A few years ago on a canoe adventure, it rained for 2 days straight. Every piece of wood was soaked. Every piece of natural tinder I could find was soaked. My participants were tired and hungry and cold and grumpy, and the last thing I wanted to do was fail to get a quick fire started. This is why I carry fire starter in my EDC kit. These 3 fire starters are compact, lightweight, waterproof, and reliable. I'm Matt Kessler, a wilderness adventure guide leading groups of men on remote trips into the beauty and solitude of epic places. Check out my 3 adventure trips and download my best high-quality outdoor gear and clothing recommendation guide. Links are below. All right, first up is the Fire Plug Tinder from Wazoo. This orange little baby here. Pro tip, take out a knife and cut the fire plug down the middle. Then spread it out, making it flat. This gives it more surface area to light, but more importantly, more surface area to burn underneath your kindling. Whether you're caught in a rainstorm or on a sunny backcountry hike, this is one of the most reliable options out there. These are waterproof, easy to ignite, and they burn really well. They're perfect for stashing in your survival kit, an Altoids tent, or even in your favorite Wazoo cash cap, beanie, or belt. They come in a non-resealable tin pack, which is fine for those of us who put them straight in their fire kit. These are priced at $5 for a pack of 10. That's 50 cents a plug. In an emergency, having a reliable fire starting tool is a matter of life and death. I highly recommend the Wazoo Fire Plug Tinder. Next up, the Wetfire Tinder from Ultimate Survival Technologies. These are lightweight and guaranteed to light in windy or wet weather. They're a little bit bulkier to carry, and they do have a slight odor. The Wetfire is unique because instead of just laying it out, you can cut it up and smash it or crumble it into your tinder. In my test, these have about a 3-minute and 30-second burn time, unless you crumble it up, in which case the burn time is more like 2 minutes. I like the Wetfire because they produce the biggest flame, but they can also be a bit messy. The cube tinders are individually packed to maintain freshness and have a 5-year shelf life if unopened. The price is $15 for a 12-pack. That's $1.25 per cube. The Blackbeard fire plugs are very similar to the Wazoo fire plugs. They're small, lightweight, and super easy to carry. And like the Wazoo fire plugs, they're windproof, waterproof, non-toxic, and odorless. They come in a resealable bag for easy storage and prolonged effectiveness, and they claim to have a 30-year shelf life. The price is $18 for a pack of 50. That's 36 cents per plug. When it comes to outdoor adventure, having a reliable waterproof fire starter can mean the difference between comfort and survival. The Wazoo Fire Plug shows you how a simple cotton-based tinder can burn even in a downpour. The Wetfire Square is great for crumbling and spreading out. It's got a big flame, but a shorter burn time. The Blackbeard fire plug delivers a slightly longer burn time with a 30-year shelf life. With a 6.5-minute burn time and 36 cents per plug, the Blackbeard fire plugs win for the best bang for your buck. Bro, don't risk being cold, wet, and unprepared. Links are below. Hey, what fire starter do you carry and why? Share in the comments below. Check out these videos next. Sign up for one of my unforgettable guided adventures. And remember, don't just buy great outdoor gear and clothing, get out there and use it.